Hello everyone, Habibi here. In this video I'm going to make a dictionary, English-Kazakh Dictionary or Kazakh English Dictionary. I have this video previously. I've made an English Indonesian dictionary. It is HTML5 and JavaScript based dictionary. The source code is here. This is the source code. So I'm going to make the English-Kazakh version of this dictionary. Here is my working file, my working directory on my local computer. I'm going to run XAMPP to run it, and I have this Excel file containing the definitions. This one is English and this one Kazakh. Let me download the source code first. I will download this as zip. I will place it here. Okay, save. Then let's extract the file. Go inside it, assets. Here is the main files of this program, HTML5 based program. If I run it, let me copy this address, and here I need to start the XAMPP first. Start the Apache, my web server, and here I replace this part with localhost. Enter. This is the dictionary. It lists all the alphabets from A. If you scroll down, there is an alphabet list. You can click any of the alphabet to show the words on M, N, O, P, and to Z. You can also open this sandwich button menu. This is English to Indonesia, and this is Indonesia to English, and we also have this quick find to search. For example, bread is roti. Okay, let's do the Kazakh version of this dictionary. Let me open the file, the Excel file. This is the Excel file, and here the source code. You can see this file called tb.js. All the words are here. If you open it, you will see this bunch of lines containing the definition of words in this dictionary. The structure is very simple, like this: en, this is English word; id, this is Indonesian word. So what I'm going to do is, because I'm working on a Kazakh version, I don't need this one, so I will delete everything until this one, and I left this one for as a reference. So here in this Excel file, I'm going to copy this part, exactly this part. No, from this first to this. I copy this part, open the Excel file. Here, let me add insert sheet columns. I will insert it here and paste it here. It is very easy, believe me. So this one also I will add where is it? Insert columns, and for this one I will add this part to this part. Copy, and I paste it in this Excel, and then I'm missing the apostrophe. Let me paste it here. Paste. Okay, that's correct. And okay, and this is the last part. This is the last part. Copy, and paste it here. Paste. Okay, here I want to delete this part and also this empty part. This is empty, so let me delete this one because it is empty. Let me check the others are fine. Okay, and the next step is to select this one, press Ctrl C to copy, then select everything below until the end of the word. Also this one, copy, and then paste here, copy and paste it. We are done with it, and let's copy entire thing here, copy and paste it here. Select this line number 2, delete, and Ctrl V to paste, and we have all of the definitions here, and we don't need these empty spaces here. So what I'm going to do is to select these empty spaces. This is a tab character. I don't need it, so while it is selected, I'm using Notepad++. Okay, and then press Ctrl and F to find this character empty space, and then I will replace it with just empty thing. Click replace all. Okay, I think I'm done. I press tab to make indent, press Ctrl S to save, and if we refresh the dictionary, let me open developer console to enable hard cache reset, hard cache reload, empty cache, and hard reload. There is some errors here, some errors because of the let me check it. Let me check again the list of the words. If I check the error message, here is an error on this line number 57. I don't know, it must be because the list of the words, probably there is an error on the list. So to find out which one has the error, I will examine here on the line 57. Here on the line 57, which file is it? It is app.js, line 57. Here I want to debug it first. Let me put on the console log, and I will print the word list number plus I. And I try it again here, refresh the page. Here you can see the printed out. It says line 196 of the word list has an error. So when I reach this number, from 0 to 196, everything is fine until this line. So I have to check the Excel, the number 196. Here, let me find out 196. 96. You can see also here it is empty, so this also cause an error. Let me just delete this one, and also 196. Wedding. I did not find anything on 196, but previously I've deleted the empty words, so probably that was the cause of error. So let me check it again. If is there any empty words again? Let me sort it alphabetically. Okay, I think everything is fine now. And then I copy again. I will select all the things here and press Ctrl C to copy, and here on the db.js paste everything here, replace this empty character with nothing, replace all, save it, and let's try to refresh it. Okay, everything is fine. So the error was caused by that empty list here. So make sure if you are making the list, don't give it empty word, empty list. So here we are. It contains all the lists alphabetically, grouped by alphabet. F, you can go to the bottom, and Q, V, P. Now the next thing is your task to replace everything here. You can change the words like this. You can replace everything inside this program by modifying what is here. And also this one, you open it, edit it. For example, I will show you how to replace this text. Just copy some part of the text like this and find it. Let's say you are using Notepad++. I will show you the best way to do it. Here, press Ctrl F, paste the word, and go to find in files. Here you can find where is the source of this text on the source code file. Here the directory, paste it here and click find all. You can see it here. It is on the app.js line number 12. You go to the app.js, find the line number 12, and here it is. You replace the words, you replace everything you need. This is the title, so let's see the title. I will change it to English-Kazakh Dictionary. Save it and refresh the program. You can see the title is replaced. You can see here also it is replaced. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time on my next tutorials. Bye bye.